What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we back at it another day as in the books, which means we had one more chance to get in our bag and do what we do. Guys, listen, stocks continue to rally despite all that's going on in the market right now. And I want to give you some guidance as well as some instructions to help you make some money tomorrow, as well as how to play what's going on and what to look out for. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm kicking it off with NVDA. This stock went crazy today. Ticker symbol NVDA, sitting at 257.70 at the time of this recording. It was up over 5% on the day. It's up another almost 1% in after hours. Guys, it made a $13 move just intraday, and it's up another $2 in after hours. Check this out, okay? For those that want to make some quick money, if you are even looking at this play, all right? To the upside, guys, somebody asked me, Chris, how high can NVIDIA go? Okay, to the upside, this play can go from here to 264, okay, to around 274, okay? So I want you guys, if you are trying to make money on the upside, now you know this play is going to come down, but before it comes down, I don't want you guys guessing. I don't want you guys front running the play. Let it do what it's going to do, because when this come back down to 233, we're taking this all the way down to 190. But in the meantime, if it's in an uptrend, these are the levels it's headed to if it continues higher tomorrow. So check this out. This is the note, and I'm gonna have this note for you several times because we're about to bring out the charts momentarily. The note is this: if this can't get above 258 on tomorrow, then this is a false breakout. Okay, so I want you guys to look for like 258. I'll just say 260. If this does not get above 260, then this is going to start to come back down, and it's going to start that motion we've been talking about to the downside. If it does, make a note of this, if it does get above 260, it will hit 264 tomorrow into Monday, okay? And then from there, it's going to go to 274. Make a note of these things, guys. We're still waiting for this. Look at this big move we're going to get. Just it retracing today's move, let alone where I told you this play is coming to. But again, they're pumping the market. They're trapping people that are buying shorts, and they're just running the stock up higher and higher. This is why I often say, guys, don't guess, don't gamble, react. The trend is your friend, and right now the trend has a lot of these stocks headed to the upside. Let them run their course. We'll be waiting to ride them back down. Okay, guys, really quickly, the SPY, ticker symbol SPY, sitting at 395.65. I'm going to bring out the charts for this one, but I just want to give you guys some guidance for this one as well. It too is at a critical resistance level, and you are going to see that more clearly on the chart. So same thing, guys, if this does not get to and through the level of 397.48 on tomorrow, okay, if we don't get above that level, so check this out. I want you guys to look in the morning for a gap up above 397, or if the market opens, I want you guys to look for a run to 397, and I want you to react to what you see happen. However, from 395 to 395.65, if you will, to 397 is a nice little move. It will go test that level if it's not already gapped up above it tomorrow, okay? So put that in your pocket for a quick money move, all right? 395 to 397. It will hit that level. You guys, it's okay if you play these levels, I tell you, but I'm trying to tell you to look for either a breakout or a false breakout. Write these two words down. Class is in session, okay? We're either looking for a fake out, breakout, okay, of this level, meaning it's going to go to 397 and get rejected. That's a fake out. Or if it's going to break out, it's going to clear 397 and go to 398, possibly 400, okay? Look for those two scenarios. React to what you see, because it's going to make or break how the day and the week closes out, all right? That's very, very key. Okay, guys, listen, really quickly, I'm about to bring out the charts. I want you guys to follow along and look for some opportunities in this on tomorrow. Okay, guys, I have the 1 hour chart pulled up, okay? And as you can see, SPY closed at 396.11 a day, and then after hours at the time of this recording is sitting at 395.85, okay? But that's neither here nor there. We had a crazy day today. I want to take your eyes to everything I'm about to teach you today. Watch this, guys. We had this move let me first teach you guys the crossover. When this 13 crosses the 48, I want you guys to always watch and see what happens. Look at this big move up you got, okay? But then when this line came here and crossed down, watch what happened. This is why you say, Chris, why do you teach us about the indicators, okay? This line end up coming down, okay? And then look at what it made. It made the double bottom. But look, guys, it's coming to this level where it's about to cross right here. And if it does cross, check this out. 397 is the target we got to hit next. 397.48 to be exact, okay? So look, for tomorrow, you got a quick little move if you can catch it from 395, 396 to this 397.48. That's a move right there to that level of resistance. We're going to just put R for resistance, okay? Like I said, though, if we clear this level, then you have 400 in play, and then you have a potential run, I'll say, to at least this 405 level, depending on the momentum, okay? That's to the upside, so I want you guys to be looking for that, okay? However, check this out. If we get rejected from this level right here, okay, if we come up to 397 tomorrow, boom, hit it, they try to fake through, and then we come down from here, that's called a false breakout. So that's why it's key on tomorrow. You guys watch what's going on. But the type of moves we had this week, I wouldn't be surprised what happens at this point, because they are doing so much irrational things in the market, okay? So I'm just playing it and reacting to what I see. So I'm going to be reacting to what happens at this juncture right here, okay? I'll be watching that level. This is a 1 hour chart, so you will see. You can check it in the morning, you can check it in pre-market, you can check it in market open to see if we jump this area, if we run up into it and kind of begin to fall back down, or what happens is what I want you guys to react to. But listen, guys, the money is in the chart. This has made, I should say, a double bottom, okay? And you see it led to this move up, okay? Now we need to see how high can it go up, because if it breaks 397, that opens the door for 400, okay? That's where we'll be headed next to close out the week into FOMC, okay? Now listen, guys, these are some crazy times we're dealing with. We have banks collapsing, we have banks joining together to bail each other out, we have deposits being made just to kind of put everybody at ease. There's a lot going on in the midst of all of this. I don't want you guys to get caught up front running. Front running means you think just because it's bad news that just means automatically that the stocks are going to go down. So then you just buy a put randomly. You're not looking at the charts. You're not waiting for setups that show you that plays are coming down. You're just jumping in, okay? That's front running. Avoid doing that if you can, okay? And if you have done that, especially if you like do it for next week, for instance, and you just thinking, if you do that and you're on the wrong side of the trade, quickly cut your loss, adjust. It's okay to pivot, and then join the direction that the market is actually going right now. And I've been surprised too, guys, but every day this week for the last 4 days, Monday to Thursday now, the market has just went up, 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 and up. This is looking like January all over again with how much the market has been going up. But the difference is we have all this calamity happening around us, okay? January just was the market, just new year, new beginnings, is doing its thing. Right now, this doesn't really make sense. However, the market is not logical. That's why I need you to trade the chart versus just trying to think, oh, this is happening, so I think market's gonna go down. Nope. As you guys can see, they're doing the opposite of what everybody is thinking. That's how they're catching people off sides, okay? So I want you to trade the chart. I want you to trade what you see. More importantly, react to what you see. Look for those resistance levels that I just showed you on the chart, because tomorrow they will make or break whether we continue going higher to close out the week, or if we get rejected there, okay, they market may come back down. All right, but now check this out. I need you guys to look for a gap up tomorrow, okay? Be looking for that. They might gap it up. It's called a gap and go. They may gap it up above 397 and then just shoot right to 398. Okay, look for that scenario. or look for a rejection. Those are the two things you need to look for me tomorrow. All right, with that being said, both will present opportunities to make money. If one is the chosen route, you guys know what to do. Okay, with that being said, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.